Hi traders, hope you're well. This is the gold software coaching session combining the price action charts. Hope you can enjoy the next few minutes. It's a quick video, but nonetheless, there's been lots of questions regarding the price action charts, and I'm just going to go over those with you. So this is the plans and pricing part of the website, and comes up with the plans that you can choose at your leisure. Now what I've done, I've combined the price action charts with the gold software. I'm just going to go over that in a minute just to show you how that might work for you. And so this is the highlight of what you get. So you get one-to-one ongoing training and support for 12 months. 12 months signals worth £600 included. 12 months VIP membership included worth £360, and then you get the price action charts worth £495. Normally the gold software and the price action charts are sold separately for £495 each, so it's great value. The other thing to note here, if you have a look here on the bottom right of the website, on all the pages now you can just click on chat there, and we'll come back to you with any questions you might have while you're on the site, and enjoy that. But let's go into the gold software and see what's going on. Let me go to the 30-minute chart first of all. So this is the gold software. I've added the price action charts. If you've got the price action charts, you've had the 5 video tutorials, then you know all the settings. I won't need to go over those with you, but nonetheless, visually it's very, very good and easy to calculate. So this is a cloud. This purple block is a cloud which measures the average of the previous price low and the average of the previous price high in order to get you the breakouts, if you like, we call on them. So whenever you see gold in particular is a big mover, as you know, then if you see the price within this range here, then you know very quickly that that is not going anywhere very soon. You need to see a breakout of this cloud. So once you do get the breakout of the cloud, you can see the direction, you can see the buy and sell signals. It all goes red, so therefore it's very easy visually to see. There's no calculations to make, and you get plenty of opportunities. You haven't got to be at the chart all day. It's not about that. It's about understanding what you're looking at, put on the trade, put on your stop above this area here, and then do a 2-to-1 risk to reward, and then that's it. Go to work or whatever you have to do. But this is a fantastic way to trade and to see where the price is going next. So this is a fantastic way to put together your price action charts in your gold software to make a lot of money very quickly. So I've just highlighted a few points here in terms of the 5-minute chart. So the 5-minute chart will need to agree with the 30-minute, but let me just show you something. So if we go to 15-minute chart, it actually tells you exactly what's going on in the 15-minute chart, in the 30-minute chart. It actually tells you the breakouts are exactly the same on the 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute. It doesn't matter any difference whatsoever. So it just depends on what time frame you're working off. So once you get the breakdown, in this case, a breakdown here, a breakdown here, a breakdown here, then of course they're all great trading opportunities throughout the day. The other thing you can do is you can set the buy and sell signals so that they come to your email. I do that quite often. If I'm not on my chart, I just program it. You just right click on that and then it comes to your email, and then I know that I've got to sell it. And one of the best ways to trade this is to actually, once you've got the sell, just trail it. So as you can see, the price continued down, and you would have got 310 pips from that. If you just trailed it to there, as it stopped out there, 251 pips. So very, very simple way to trade. Now, if we have a look at it now, obviously it's the weekend and nothing's going on. So let's put the two charts together so we can see straight away what we can expect. So this just tells us simply and very quickly that there's nothing going on with gold. But once we get the breakout, let's rewind. they both do the same thing. The breakout is exactly the same time. There's no delays, and the sell signal comes in exactly at the same time as the break. So it's a fantastic way to get into a move and bank 100 to 300 pips during the day. Don't forget, if you have any questions, if you don't understand the settings, you've got price action charts. I'm there for you for 12 months. You've got the signals for 12 months. You've got my full support for 12 months. You're in the VIP room for 12 months. There's nothing more to pay. That's it for a year. So totally up to you how you want to do it. And I can design specifically the charts to design around your time frame. So if you only got 10 minutes a day, we can do that for you.